Hello everyone. In today's Hindi reading class, we are going to see about the Hindi alphabets part 10. Before moving into this video, we will recommend you to watch all the remaining 9 parts and then return back to this video. A small recap. K se Kamal, Kh se Khargosh, G se Gamla, Gh se Ghar. ख से कमल, ख से खरगोश, ग से गमला, घ से घर, ङ खक्का गग्गा ङ खक्का गग्गा ङ छ से छरका, छ से छतरी, ज से जग, झ से झंडा, छ से छरका, छ से छतरी, ज से जग, झ से झंडा, ञ छछा झझा ञ छछा झझा ञ ठ से टमाटर, ठ से टमाटर, ठ से ठठेरा, ठ से ठठेरा. Now let us fill few exercises. This is your page. Try to fill in the first letter of this given word. Try it. I have filled it. It's th se tomato. Th se tomato. This is your page. Try to fill the first letter of the given word. I have filled it. It's ठ से ठठेरा, ठ से ठठेरा. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you like our videos, kindly subscribe to our channel and help us to make more videos like this. I will meet you in the next part of this series. Until then, bye, take care, see you.